afternoon, student. I'm your teacher Nayab. I hope you all are fine. We have in class of chemistry, and as you know, we start a chapter that is based on the biochemistry. In previous lecture, I told you about the carbohydrates. What is carbohydrates? Now, in my today lecture, it is about the protein. What is protein? How they will make different type of, and how they essential for our body or not. So now start the topic, which is based on the protein. So what is protein? Protein is derived from a Greek word. It is mean proteus, which is mean that more prime important. What is prime important? Prime important is the most important. So it's mean that the proteus mean that the prime important. And it is, what is the protein? Protein are highly complex nitrogenous substance that are made up of amino acid in all living organism. So what is amino acid? Amino acid is an organic compound that is content of amino group and carboxylic group. That is, amino group is NH2 and the carboxylic group is COOH. So amino group is made up of these two type of components. Now protein, if we look toward the constitution of the protein, from how many from different type of compounds, from different type of atoms they are made up of. So protein contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes contain sulfur. These essential items are important for the making of the proteins. Now what is the example of the protein? So there are the different type of different example of protein that contain keratin, albumin, legumin, collagen. If you look toward the keratin, so where they present in the epithelial cell of the hair, skin and nails, they are present. If you look toward the albumin is present in the blood plasma and the liver muscles, and legumin is present in beans, peas and seeds. And the collagen protein is present in what? Bones and muscles. Now we study about the amino acid as the building block of protein. How amino acid work, what is amino acid is, I told you that amino acid is the organic compound that contain amino group and carboxyl group. Amino group is NH2 and the carboxyl group is COOH. So essential element what are the essential element that is essential for the protein, making of protein, that is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. These four elements are called essential elements that bond together to form an amino acid. How amino acid will form? These different type of essential elements are bond together and they form amino acid. And which type of bonding? There is some type of bonding that is called peptide bond, which is bond these different type of atoms and form amino acid. So now look over here, there is the structure of the amino acid. They show us alpha carbon. I told you that they contain amino group and carboxyl group. So the amino group and the carboxyl group both are attached with the same alpha carbon. This is the amino group, that is NH2, and this is the carboxylic group, that is double bond O and OH. And this is the alkyl group that we call this the side chain of amino acid. So how many amino acid are present? There the 20 different type of amino acid are present. They are further divided in two categories, that are essentials and non-essential. If we look toward the essential and the non-essential, so the non-essential are those type of amino acid which are prepared by our body, that is not necessary to take by outside. And the essential amino acid are those type of amino acid that are not prepared by our body and that is essential to take it by our diets. If we look toward the numbering, how many number of amino acid, non-essential amino acid are present and the essential amino acid. So the 10 amino acid are non-essential amino acid and the 10 amino acid are essential amino acid, which is essential to our body to take it by our diet. So I told you that different amino acid are combined together and they form our protein molecules. So by which type of combination they form? So there is some type of bonding linkage that is called peptide linkage. So there is the proper definition of the peptide linkage, that is the linkage which join carboxylic group of one amino acid with an amino group of another amino acid, that is called the peptide chain. You look over here, I have two different types of amino acids. That is, what will be happen, how they make a bonding or a linkage. So this OH and this hydrogen will be removed from this this OH and this hydrogen will remove, and they will make what? When they remove from here, so nitrogen will make a bonding. When nitrogen will make bond, so this type of bond called the peptide linkage or the peptide bond. And when their OH and H is removed, it means that water molecule is removed from this amino acid during this linkage. So student, I hope you all understand by this topic, that is based on the protein. And Allah Hafiz.